Vertical Aerospace, ticker symbol EVTL, could be popping up on more investor radars as it sets its sights on air taxi routes on both sides of the Atlantic by the end of the decade. Check out its flight plan, certification, and technical-wise, as well as other ambitions it has heading into the 2030s. The British-based company plans to launch a UK electric air taxi network in Q1 2029, partnering with Skyports Infrastructure and Bristow Group. The network will connect Canary Wharf to key hubs including Heathrow, Gatwick, Cambridge, and Oxford, with the Canary Wharf-Heathrow route taking 12 minutes by air versus 60 to 90 minutes by road. Bristow will operate the routes using its UK air operator certificates, while Skyports provides vertiport infrastructure. The network will feature Vertical's Valo eVTOL, which is capable of flying 100 miles at 150 miles per hour. It'll launch with 4 seats, panoramic windows, and storage for 6 cabin and 6 checked bags, with flexibility to expand to 6 seats. Valo is intended for passenger transport, emergency medical services, cargo missions, and future hybrid, defense, and autonomous variants. It operates with 0 emissions, powered by 8 electric motors with multiple electrically isolated power lanes, and features 12-minute short-mission battery recharge times. Valo succeeds the VX4 prototype, integrating lessons from piloted testing and customer feedback. Key upgrades include an underfloor battery system, redesigned wings and propellers, and advanced materials developed with partners like Honeywell, Ascencore, and Ascencore. Vertical plans to build 7 certification aircraft for regulatory testing in the UK, ultimately leading to the expectation Valo will generate over 2,000 UK jobs and contribute £3 billion annually by 2035. In the near future, there'll be a US tour in 2026 highlighting progress toward commercial eVTOL operations and advanced air mobility deployment. As Valo piloted flight testing begins, the test aircraft will also be supporting public demonstrations. It will initially operate in an all-electric configuration before being retrofitted for hybrid electric testing later in 2026. While Valo is in the process of achieving airliner-level safety certification from the UK Civil Aviation Authority and ASA by 2028. Vertical targets 175 aircraft by 2030, increasing to 225 annually by Q4 2030, including Bristow's pre-order of up to 50 Valo aircraft, with options for 50 more, adding to the approximately 1,500 pre-orders from American Airlines, Avalon, GUL, and Japan Airlines. Additionally, Vertical signed a memorandum of understanding with Haley Air Monaco to operate Valo along the French Riviera, connecting Monaco, Nice, Cannes, and Saint-Tropez. Infrastructure adaptations will be supported by Aéroports de la Côte d'Azur and Monaco Heliport. Similarly, Valo could also be flying electric air taxi routes in New York alongside partners Bristow Group and Skyports Infrastructure. The proposed routes aim to drastically cut travel times, connecting Manhattan to JFK Airport, East Hampton, MetLife Stadium, and other destinations. Potential use cases include airport transfers, event travel, aerial sightseeing, weekend leisure trips, crosstown transfers, and emergency medical transport, leveraging existing infrastructure like downtown Skyport and Teterboro Airport. Vertical intends to democratize urban air mobility, offering a price point comparable to Uber Black per seat, making eVTOL accessible to a broader market. Other differentiators for Vertical comes from its roster of partners like Honeywell, which expanded their long-standing partnership to accelerate certification and production of Vertical's VX4 eVTOL aircraft. Under the new long-term agreement, the companies will certify Honeywell's Anthem flight deck and compact fly-by-wire flight control system for the VX4, enhancing safety, stability, and pilot operability. The collaboration targets certification to the UK Civil Aviation Authority's stringent 10.9 safety standard equivalent to commercial airliners and more demanding than some rival eVTOL programs, supporting the VX4's potential for global certification and export. The deal also includes integrating Honeywell's new pilot inceptors, offering more precise and intuitive aircraft control. The expanded partnership could be worth around $1 billion over the next decade, and the agreement builds on 6 years of collaboration, with Honeywell also an investor in Vertical since 2021. Then, as mentioned at the start, Vertical works with Bristow Group to accelerate the commercial launch of air taxi services. Since Bristow is an experienced helicopter operator in the UK, US, and other markets, its aircraft orders are designed to simplify and speed up market entry for Vertical's customers by providing a ready-made operational platform, eliminating the need to build infrastructure from scratch. Bristow will offer access to certified aircraft, trained pilots, maintenance, and insurance, while both companies jointly manage aircraft operations. Bristow estimates that eVTOL aircraft could deliver a 60 to 70% reduction in direct operating costs, compared with conventional helicopters, strengthening the economic case for air taxi services. Vertical CEO Stuart Simpson said the model mirrors proven aviation practices and lowers barriers to adoption, helping scale eVTOL services globally. Then, to meet increasing demand, Vertical secured initial manufacturing facilities for its VX4 electric aircraft, reinforcing its plan to achieve certification in 2028 and begin early production. It established an aircraft assembly site at Cotswold Airport, with capacity to build more than 25 aircraft per year, expanding its footprint there to about 100,000 square feet. It has also tripled battery production capacity with a new 30,000 square foot facility near its energy center in Avonmouth. Vertical reaffirmed that certifying the all-electric VX4 by 2028 will require approximately $700 million in funding, noting that the front-loaded certification approach of UK and European regulators supports confidence in its timeline. It's also raised its delivery outlook to at least 175 aircraft cumulatively by 2030 and increased its targeted manufacturing run rate to more than 225 aircraft annually by late 2030, with a longer-term goal of 900 deliveries per year by 2035. Vertical also projects a 20% gross margin in 2030, rising to about 40% by 2035, and positive operating cash flow in 2030. Elsewhere in manufacturing, Vertical established a long-term partnership with Ascencore Aerostructures to supply the complete airframe for the VX4. Under the agreement, Ascencore will deliver the wing, empennage, pylons, and fuselage for both pre-production and certified VX4 aircraft, while also taking engineering responsibility for key structural components and providing manufacturing engineering support. Ascencore brings nearly 5 decades of experience in commercial aerospace, having supplied major airframe structures for programs at Airbus, Boeing, and Embraer, including the A320, B737, and KC-390. The company also has direct eVTOL experience through work with Eve Air Mobility and Lilium, strengthening Vertical's path toward certification and scaled production. The agreement supports Vertical's Flight Path 2030 strategy, which focuses on advancing certification and preparing for production through early long lead purchasing. On the technical tarmac, Vertical already completed the first piloted wing-borne flight in European open airspace, where lift was generated by wings rather than rotors, followed by Phase 3 testing of wing-borne flight over 250 miles, at speeds up to 120 knots and altitudes of 2,000 feet. Pilots Simon Davies and Paul Stone validated system performance, handling qualities and flight modes while collecting billions of data points to support certification. The VX4 also completed the world's first piloted airport-to-airport flight by a winged tilt-rotor eVTOL, flying 17 miles from Cotswold Airport to RAF Fairford at 115 miles per hour and 1,800 feet. Following receipt of a permit to fly, Vertical began Phase 4 transition testing, demonstrating the aircraft's ability to shift between vertical hover and wing-borne flight. In the future, Vertical intends to develop a long-range hybrid electric variant of its VX4 aircraft, aimed at serving defense, logistics, and broader commercial markets. The new program integrates hybrid electric propulsion into Vertical's next-generation VTOL platform, significantly expanding capability beyond its all-electric design and opening access to multi-billion-dollar market opportunities. The hybrid electric VX4 is targeted to achieve a range of up to 1,000 miles, around 10 times that of the all-electric version, and carry payloads of up to 1,100 kilograms. Designed for both crewed and uncrewed operations, the aircraft will support autonomous, remote, or piloted missions and offer low noise and heat signatures, making it well-suited for sensitive defense and critical logistics applications. Built on the VX4's high-redundancy architecture, the variant is intended for high resilience. The hybrid propulsion system has been in development for 18 months at Vertical's Energy Center and will be retrofitted into a full-scale VX4 prototype, with flight testing expected to begin in Q2 2026. Certification to the highest ESA and UK CAA safety standards is targeted for 2028, alongside Vertical's Flight Path 2030 strategy. Vertical's proprietary battery technology and large flexible airframe underpin the hybrid design, enabling higher range and payload without major redesign. As the only remaining major European eVTOL company, Vertical says it is actively engaging with government agencies and customers, positioning itself to meet growing European defense needs while continuing development of its all-electric VX4. Now, no matter if you're an aviation and/or investment enthusiast, please like and share this video on places like X, StockTwits, Reddit, Discord, and your own group chats. It really helps get more content like this off the ground. Then, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.